going on, everybody? We've got another 200 gram here by Pyro Diablo. This is another 9-shot. This one is a Neon Eagle, and this is one of the larger size 200 gram cakes that they offer. And again, the performance on these, especially these larger 200 grams, the break size and loudness is very similar to a 500 gram cake. So it's very rare that you get one that hits this hard in a 200 gram cake. So if you ever come across any of these 200 grams by Pyro Diablo, we highly recommend them. So the performance on this one, you've got Golden Crown with neon red and orange, Golden Crown with blue, Golden Crown with chrysanthemum crackles, Finale with Golden Crown with neon red, orange, blue, and crackles. So lots of different colors in this one. Take a look at the inside of the tubes here. So again, this is our first time having this one on the channel, so really interested to see what this one does. So let's go take a look at it.